In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord server. It's going to be a basic step-by-step tutorial. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. If you're a newbie, if for any reasons you want to create a Discord server for yourself, for your community, ensure you watch through this video and see what I'm going to do. If you scroll down, you're going to see the plus icon right here. You're going to see the add a server. You're going to see create my own, right? Tell us more about your server for a global community for me and my friends. I'm going to select this for a global community. Add the server. This is basically a test, right? A tutorial video. Let me say test by, let me say Kings. Okay, let me just say Kings community, right? So yeah, the server name, the server profile picture, I'm going to click on this. I can just select this, right? You're going to click on the create right now. So because this is basically I don't like this, not a, this is basically for test experiment, right? So I'm just making this to share my thoughts on what you can do basically. So you can say just created the community. Welcome to King's community. This is your brand new server, right? So if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner wanting to learn how you can create a Discord server, this is how you can do that. It's very easy. So I think I made some other videos in my channel where I extensively shared some thoughts on how you can properly design everything, and everything will be good for you. So ensure you go to my channel and watch through all I shared my thoughts on. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know, guys, the kinds of videos you would love to watch next. I really appreciate you all. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.